Okay, let's talk about it. With a toothbrush. She does her eyeshadow with a toothbrush. What? There's really only one thing to do now. I think she has foundation on, so let's do that first. I feel like that's a little risky. A little risque. Okay, so that's done. She said she was using face paint. So we're gonna be using this lovely clean palette. I think we're gonna do a rainbow kind of moment. First, I'm gonna do the yellow. We're gonna have to get a little closer. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about this. Okay. I think it's okay. Now the orange. And this is the final look. I kind of feel like an artiste. Picasso who? We're getting a second opinion. What do we think?
Artsy and pretty.
We approve. Dental floss as a lip liner. Let's give it a try, I guess. I'm gonna use this lipstick. And you just rub it on the lipstick. Okay, fingers crossed. I want to fix this one a little. Honestly, it looks really pretty. I wouldn't do this every day, but it is a super fun hack to try. You guys tagged me in this a million times. And okay, I'm gonna try it. I don't have that like beige tape. And it's actually a national holiday in Croatia, so I have nowhere to get it. So we're gonna use this. Okay, what she does is goes around her nose. The bad thing is you can't really breathe. So I did cut little holes for my nose. And now you're supposed to tape one more here. I feel like an arts and crafts project. I'm gonna be using the Sigma gel eyeliner. And honestly, I'm shocked. It looks really good. This hack works 100%. Now, what kind of eyelash witchcraft was that? Yeah, let's try that. First, we need the lash glue. Then we take the eyelash and place it here. I'm just gonna push it here. Yeah, this kind of works. If you blink a couple of more times, it like sits into place. You just have to push it in a little. But yeah, this happened. If you don't know how to put on lashes, I would suggest you try this. It takes a couple tries, but it works. That looks really easy, so we're gonna try it. I somehow don't see this looking good on me. It's okay. Fill in this square. Then a couple of hairs in the front. Okay, gonna do the other one. Okay, this actually looks pretty nice. It looks a little weird in the beginning, but it works. But don't forget to tag me in videos you want me to try. We are trying that. I have an old Hoola bronzer. They do test on animals, so I wouldn't recommend you buy it. The magic spray that blends everything. And I think I went too far. And a moment of truth. It's okay, but I need to see how it blends. Okay, so this looks really nice. I'm gonna go finish the makeup. And this is the finished look. I love this bronzing method. I am definitely doing this again. Okay, I'm shocked. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. Toothbrush. And her brows actually look nice in the end. Now I know when we say toothbrush, we all think Tana Mojo. But this is a different kind of toothbrush story. You guys really want me to try this, so I guess toothbrush it is. Okay, I have this brow pencil, and she starts off with some Nike vibes. I think we need to be more dramatic. And the other side. At this point, we are all a little bit skeptical. But you know what? Trust the process, I guess. Here we have my boyfriend's toothbrush, because it's a little bit softer than mine. And let's do it. I have no words. Okay, now she cleans it up. And add concealer. Excuse me, what? They look really good. I'm trying one more hack today, so if you want to see that and the finished look, go to part 2. We're trying that. Did I have an eye infection 2 days ago? Yes. Am I still gonna put red color in my eye? Yes. Sometimes in life, you gotta take risks. I just put on some mascara, and I am going to use these lashes. Let's see how that would look. A bit dramatic, but it's a vibe. Just like me. I wanted to do eyeshadow, but I wanted to see how it looks on its own. And of course, I'm going to be doing red. So she starts from the ends of her lashes. Why is this harder than it looks? That is cute. It's cute. I'm feeling pretty spicy, so I'm going to do some bottom lashes. Oh my god. They look so good. Watch me do this in all colors of the rainbow. Oh! I'm scared. Okay. Oh my god. Now, girl, I know that you did not just smear blue glitter on your lips. And how did I manage to look good? That's some witchcraft. And now I want that, you know. Here I have the glitter. Is this gonna look good on my lips, though? We will find out right now. But first, some dry shampoo. Wash your hair sometimes, Jesus. I'm also gonna need that eyeliner, ma'am. So I'm just gonna... This line is straighter than half of y'all on this app. I present to you the wing. Are they twins? Are they sisters? Are they even related? Now we gotta do the, you know, that. Period. I'm pleased with the situation. These lashes... they're giving. And just some freckles because it's an obsession at this point. This dark purple lipstick going, but something's telling me to use this. Black never disappoints me, unlike other things in life. I should do this more often. Now I have these 3. And I can't decide between the purple and the blue. I think it's gonna be the blue. Okay, turquoise, don't attack me. Okay, let's see how this looks. To be fair, like this, it looks really, really pretty. Okay, we're gonna pick up some of it with a brush. And... it's a little bit more green than I would like it to be. But I like it. Let me finish this up. I am finally done. My final conclusion would be that I like it. It looks pretty badass. The transition videos I'm gonna do with this, definitely stay tuned for that. But what do you think? Did we all just see that? This is an eyeliner that's also a lash glue. You know I bought it. You know. It is here and it is bedazzled. So let's see if this works. I already made one line, but I messed it up, so I'm gonna film it again. The pigmentation is okay, but what I really want to know, is it a lash glue? I have these brand new lashes, so let's try it out. So as you can see, this is a new lash, completely not sticky. Now I'm gonna place it on the liner. Here it is. Let's see how strong the glue is. Oh, pretty strong. It's also supposed to be waterproof. And I really want to test that out. My 3-minute video feature is not working, so I'm going to post part 2 right away. So sorry, besties, but I can't do anything about it. See you in 10 minutes and let's test if it's waterproof.